Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So my name is Wiz. Honestly, I'm excited about this video because it is going to be something different.
The aspect of nothingness is
What it
overwhelming,
is, Yu-Gi-Oh!
sometimes to a
And
point of quitting.
today is going to be the first break
When this
in
happens,
maybe
this is
about
when
10,
you should
12
learn to
years
let go.
since I actually been out the game. The last time I played Yu-Gi-Oh! Or just collect Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards was back when the Elemental Heroes, and I think even way before that when the series of America and the Egyptian God cards came out. So I purchased two maximum gold Dorado cases or packs. I don't know what you call them, but basically each box includes, it states here, each box will include 4 maximum gold Dorado packs with 7 cards each. 2 premium gold rares and 5 gold letter rares. I don't know what that means. So I'm definitely looking forward to it. So we're gonna go ahead and open these. And I also had a small booster that I ended up finding in a local Target. To be honest, guys, it's been very difficult to find any cards at all. I went to several Targets. I went to several Walmarts locally, and no luck. I was able to finally find these cards in a GameStop. When it comes to just finding cards locally, I think that being from a big city myself, I honestly thought I was gonna be able to find these at any other, maybe Target or maybe a Walmart, but honestly I went to about 10 of them and I didn't find nothing. So finally, I decided to go to a GameStop, and on the first GameStop that I went to, I find these. So if you're from somewhere like Houston, definitely look into it. Let's see. So we're gonna start off with one of El Dorado. I'm trying to look for my cutter here so I can actually just open this right without really messing up the box. Because we're gonna use this cutter that I use for my art. I really don't want to mess up the box, so let's see. So that worked out perfectly. And we're about to see. Bro, okay, you can just open it from here. So I didn't even know that, but so yeah, we see, guys. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 in perfect box. So goal was done correctly. So let's see. So the first one, guys. What am I expecting from this? Honestly, the only thing that I've seen from the research I've done, which is minimal, I've seen that they have like the blue eyes, or they have a golden dark magician, like the old school ones. So I would be really psyched out to get one of those. So we'll see what we get. And see if I even recognize any of these cards, because to be honest, the Majesty's Fiend, I have no idea what this is. But it looks cool. Number 4, Numeran Gate. I have no idea what this is. Whoa, look at this. Ultimate Conductor Tyranno. What the hell is this? Looks cool though. So this one seems to be one of the gold cards, I guess. I don't know what the hell that is. This is cool though. It says Eldritch the Mad Golden Lord. Have no idea what this is, guys. This is a fusion. This is a fusion zombie card. Wow. Scribe Chimera. I don't even like. This is a brand new card, but you can tell that it's folded here. So if this is even worth anything, probably lost some value just because of that. You see, these names are weird. I never even seen cards like these. So this is an XYZ monster, and it is number 81. I can't even read this. So if you can read this right here, it's pretty hard to tell how to read that. And Giant Rex, so that was a dinosaur. I was used to be a very much of a fan of dragon monsters. So do I have any dragons here? I have dinosaur, machine, fiend. No dragons, but that's fine. Let's see. Okay guys, so if you see my tats right now, I mean, they're kind of fresh. I just got these yesterday. Oh, the Rainbow Neos. It's being an elemental hero back in the day. Mystique Mind. Looks cool. I like the golden border. It looks cool. It looks classy. It looks really cool. Oracle Sephora. I don't know what this is. And the thing about these guys, they look so badass, but I can't really tell what I'm looking at. So that's one of the things that I've noticed. Trying to get back into Yu-Gi-Oh. There's a lot of different cards and things that I've never even heard of. This is badass though. They look cool. Like, I really like the new style of cards. This is a holographic and a golden border. So I really like them. Their first edition too. The Weather Painted Rain. And these cards, these are the cards that I was looking into. Cybers, and they're supposed to be link monsters. I had no idea what these are, so I had to do my research on those. But I know they have to do with a new style of play that I am going to do research on. There's a badass. There's a pretty good. There is a pretty good, I guess, source channel that I actually am trying to learn from. But I'll post it on the link so you can kind of take a look at it. And I'll post it on the actual screen as well, so you can see what I'm referring to. But I'm pretty sure everybody knows within the Yu-Gi-Oh community that those are like one of the guys you learn from. So let's see, the Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak. This is cool. Oh, look at this, a gold sarcophagus. This card used to be value a lot, so I don't know if this is value a lot, but it's a badass card. This looks so fresh. If you can see it, you can still have like the cut of the sheet. This looks badass though. I like that gold sarcophagus. It looks nice. Trap Trick. Enough the matte Golden Lord. Dang, okay. Book of Moon. It looks badass. So it seems like they have some of the old school cards mixed with the new school cards. You see, I never seen those blue cards. They're Pandemonium. I don't even know what you call them. Not Pandemonium. I don't know what they're called, but something around those lines. Dragon Maid Hospitality. So that's what, 3 already. Got 1 more to go. I mean, these design of cards seem to be legit though. I like them. Like, I like the golden color around the borders, and I like the style of card they have. So Ultra's Multi-Faker. Yeah, it's cool. Okay guys, guess what? Fortunately, our camera died and I wasn't able to complete the recording of the entire pulls. But guess what? I ended up pulling Exodia, the Forbidden One, on the second box. And honestly, I don't know how much this is value at, and I'm gonna look it up online. I just saw that a PSA 10 is listed at $15,000 on eBay, which is crazy to be honest, but I don't know how much is really value at. So honestly, had a lot of fun with this. Be expecting videos of full pulls maybe once a month, because I really want to get back into Yu-Gi-Oh and actually learn how to duel. So yeah guys, I hope you liked today's video, and I do apologize for not sharing the second pull all the way through, but I definitely got a lot of cool cards that I hope to share with you guys in the future. Thank you for watching the video up to this point, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.